Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to download TikTok in India. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, you know very well that TikTok is banned in India. If still you want to use TikTok in India, then I will show you how to download and install it. First of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser. Then type here download TikTok. Then tap on enter. Select the first download TikTok. Then tap on download. You can see the total size is 277 MB. Just tap on download. After completion of this download, then tap on install. Just tap on download anyway. After completion of this download, then tap on install. After completion of this installation, then open the Play Store. Then you have to download another application which is called Thunder VPN. Just download this Thunder VPN. Tap on install. After completion of this app, then tap on open. After opening, you have to select any other country like USA or UK where TikTok is not banned. Then select any one of the country. Guys, after selecting any one of the country, you have to do another important thing. That is, you have to remove your Indian SIM card from your phone and use Wi-Fi in order to use the TikTok app in India. Just remove your SIM card, then connect your Wi-Fi and use your TikTok. That's it guys. So in this way you can download and install TikTok in India. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.